Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel YouTube. It's time is 6:01 in the morning, and we have now headed out from Goa to Mangalore. Goa to Mangalore is 430 kilometers, so we will be riding to Mangalore today. It's a beautiful route to Mangalore from Goa along the sea coast. So it's going to be a great ride. So we left a bit early because the traffic in Goa is too much. So we really wanted to make sure that we don't get stuck in that. So we are 3 guys who have left now. So the other group, our other friends are stayed in another hotel. So they are going to join us post Madgaon. So it's going to be a great ride. I see it. The weather is beautiful, very nice. It was nice 3 days in Goa, very peaceful and relaxing. The roads are not so great in some places. Let's see a bit of potholes on the other side. That's quite common, I suppose. So guys, we are heading to Mangalore. It's around 341 kilometers. Still on the way. Quite a lot of traffic in the morning. So guys, you can see we are just entered Karwar. What a beautiful place. So this is Karwar. Wow, so beautiful. Guys, look at this. Very beautiful. We have just stopped here. Everyone wants to rest for a second. This is the Sharavati river. We are crossing the Sharavati river bridge. This place looks very beautiful. Amazing. Wow, and it's full of water. Very good. It's quite a lengthy bridge which we are crossing right now. And it's very, very hot outside. Around 34 degrees Celsius, I suppose. Currently that's the temperature. So we have another 175 kilometers to reach Mangalore. This place looks very beautiful. Very nice. You can see the complete sea coast towards Mangalore. This is on the right hand side. So beautiful this place is to ride over here. Very nice. So this coast just comes all the way along and takes you out to Mangalore. Very beautiful city. We are entering into Mangalore city, another 17 kilometers. Feeling so tired and exhausted. It was a wonderful ride, great ride, good experiences on this ride. It's good. Now the weather is getting better. Finally we have reached Mangalore, so I'm going to be staying over here in the Mangalore club. It's kind of